Hey everybody, so today, you know, we're gonna finally start our fishing channel. Hopefully this will be something fun that I can take on and hopefully start myself throughout college. Something like this would be very entertaining for me. Fish a lot, almost every day with all my friends. Started a fishing club at my school. I really think that I can make some good content for y'all. Travel a lot, fish a lot of different states, a lot of different countries, different places. Fish for everything from bass to sturgeon to alligator gar, giant catfish. So hopefully we can make do for y'all, and hopefully this could be something a good start of. Today we're going to be using the Bandito bug on a Canon reel from Shimano and a Tango rod, 7.3 from Field and Stream. Dude, this one's nice. Oh my god. Oh my god, first cast. Look at that. Holy shit, how am I gonna get it up? Bring my scale. All right, everybody. So we're out here fishing the pond for some bass and gar. So right now I'm using this little topwater action bait. I've had 2 blow-ups, one on a nice bass and a nice gar, but the hook didn't set. But we're still having fun. And in the water. Can't get your fish if you're lining in the water. Well, if your rod don't jig, you ain't got a chance. Make that old Mickey fin dance. Can't get your fish if you're lining in the water.